Siap, gerak. Ngaturan pangan jali. Om Swastiastu. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Need more enthusiasm. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Good. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, I'm very good too. Yeah, right now I'm ready to teach you for the English class with me. Okay, are you ready to study right now?
Yes.
Okay, before we start our study right now, I will present all of you. Yes, all of students is present?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. All of students is present, that means all of you is ready to study English right now. Okay, before we go to the material right now, I always remind you about our class agreement. Okay, what our class agreement? Who remember? Number 1. Always. Okay, number 1, our class agreement is always on time. Number 2. Number 4. Always follow the direction. Ya, jadi selalu mengikuti arahan yang disampaikan. Okay, I have a song. The name of song is Up and Down and Shake, Shake, Shake. Okay, stand up please. Okay, please follow the singing and moving like the song. Okay, are you ready? Ready. Okay.
Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Shake to the right, shake to the left. Turn around and shake, shake, shake.
Okay, sit down please. Okay, give applause to our class. Our study right now is based from the song. Okay, can you tell me what verb is there on the song? Okay, play, game, dance, jump, okay, run, down, okay, shake, okay. Nah, shake to the right, apa artinya? Ya, ke kanan, okay, good. Shake to the left. Okay, good. Yeah, next. Okay, that is the verb based on the song. The shake, dance, play, jump, and run. Do you know any verb that we always use? Kalian tahu kata kerja lainnya yang biasa digunakan? Who can answer, please? Raise your hand. Santi? Okay, walk. What's the meaning of walk? Berjalan. Okay, good Santi. Get kita. Bring. What's the meaning of bring? Membawa. Okay. Any others? Lima? Eat. Okay, what's the meaning of eat? Makan. Okay, how about verb about learning activities? Verb about learning activities. Kata kerja tentang aktivitas belajar. You want to answer, Feli? Okay, right. Yeah, right. Apa artinya? Menulis. Okay, once again. Bisa? Okay. Read. What the meaning of read? Okay. And then right now we continue our study. Right now we will study about expression of instruction. Okay, expression of instruction that mean is kalimat instruksi. Ya, do you know what kalimat instruksi? Apa lagi kata lainnya? Kalimat perintah. Okay, our learning objective for today is atau tujuan pembelajaran kita ya identification instruction based on the picture. Ya, mengidentifikasi kalimat instruksi berdasarkan gambar. And then pronounce the instruction with clear pronunciation. That means mengucapkan instruksi dengan pengucapan yang jelas. Okay, are you ready for study? Ready. More enthusiastic. Are you ready for study? Ready. Okay. Right now I have example for instruction about class procedure and learning activities. Okay, who can read what the instruction? More louder please. Lebih keras. Clean the board. Okay, what the meaning of clean the board? Ya, good. Membersihkan papan. Ya. If you want to make a polite instruction, you must do adding please. Yeah, you can adding please in front of or behind the instruction. Okay, I will give some example like this. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay, right now who can give me one example, the other of the instruction? Memberikan contoh lainnya. Okay, gimana?
Open your book, please.
Okay, open your book, please. Okay, class, please say it together. Open your book, please.
Open your book, please.
I say it together. Katakan bersama-sama. Okay, katakan. Okay, open your book, please.
Open your book, please.
Okay, repeat after me. Open your book, please.
Open your book, please.
Right now I will show you. I have picture in front of you here. You must do identification what the instruction is matched based on the picture. Okay, Ibu akan menampilkan gambar. Jadi kalian tentukan instruksi yang tepat sesuai dengan gambarnya. Saya, okay. Nah, this is the first picture. Who can answer what the instruction based on the picture? Siapa yang bisa jawab apa instruksi yang sesuai dengan gambarnya? Please. Kelly?
Raise your hand.
Okay, raise your hand. What the meaning? Okay, repeat after me. Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Okay, repeat after me. Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Okay, if you after you can say it together. Right now, we do it together. Ya, kita lakukan instruksi yang bersama-sama. Okay, if I say raise your hand, apa yang harus kamu lakukan? Okay, raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand. Okay, okay, you can say it together and do it together. The instruction. Next. Okay, that's correct. Raise your hand. Okay. After that, what's the instruction, Lina?
Take the book.
For the next picture, who want to try? Today, you want to try to answer the next picture? Who want to try? Come in front of the class and then answer what instruction for the next picture. Untuk gambar selanjutnya, siapa yang mau mencoba menjawab? tapi di depan. Yuk, Gung Dina. Ayo coba Gung Dina. Ya. Okay. You try to answer and then you give your friend the instruction. Okay. Nah, what the instruction?
Open the window.
Okay, stand up here and give your friend instruction.
Open the window.
Say, repeat after me.
Say repeat.
Repeat after me. Open the window.
Say repeat after me. Open the window.
Repeat after me. Open the window.
Repeat after me. Open the window.
Okay. Give applause for them. Again.
Repeat after me. Clap your hand.
Okay, what's the meaning of clap your hand? Give applause for the Oke, jadi menurut Ibu, hampir semua dari kalian sudah mengerti ya dengan instruksinya. Right now, I have one game. The name of game is Simon Says. Okay, Simon Says is like one people is in front of you and say something about instruction and then you do the instruction. Okay, you follow the instruction. Jadi satu orang menjadi Simon di depan mengatakan instruksinya dan kalian mengikuti melakukan instruksinya. Who want to be a Simon? Okay, for the first, I think me as a Simon. Okay. Okay. Can you follow the Simon instruction? Yes. Okay, for the first. Okay. Simon says, stand up please. Ambil pulpen. Okay, give applause to our class. Who want to be next Simon? Who want to try to be next Simon? I think I will choose one from you. Kelly, come here. Okay, Kelly will give you instruction and all of the class is follow for the instruction. Okay, are you ready? Okay.
Simon says, close your book. Open your book.
Okay.
Simon says, close your book. Simon says, touch your friend. Simon says, take your pen.
Okay, give applause to Kelly. Okay, tepuk, good job. Good job. Tepuk, good job. Good job. Okay, who want to be next Simon? Next, I have. Okay, right now I will divide you to be a group discussion. Ya, Ibu akan membagi kalian menjadi kelompok diskusi. Oke. Discussion with your group. Okay. Let's, right now is your turn. Jadi silakan sekarang gitu. Okay, while you discuss with your group, I will always remind you all of students is group must work together. Ya, jadi ibu mengingatkan semua orang di grup itu harus ikut bekerja sama. Ya, there one student for write the name, there one student is thinking of the instruction, and the last student can check the group text before you presentation. Ya, jadi ada yang menulis nama, ada yang memikirkan instruksinya, nanti terakhir ada yang mengecek juga sebelum kamu presentasi. Jangan hanya ada yang diam aja, semuanya ikut kerja sama ya. When you presentation in front of the class, ketika kamu presentasi di depan, itu kamu tidak perlu menyampaikan nama-nama dari anggota kelompoknya, ya. You just introduction about the number of group. Jadi silakan disampaikan nomor grupnya saja, okay? And then you next to the instruction. Ya, jadi lanjut ke instruksinya, okay? All of student is take turn to speaking. Jadi semua siswa supaya dapat bicara. Ya, not just one person talking, but any person in group is take turn to speaking. Ya, jadi silahkan dibagi-bagi dulu kira-kira siapa yang menyampaikan nomor 1, siapa menyampaikan nomor 2, 3, dan selanjutnya.
Jadi di sini kami akan mempresentasikan tugas yang kami buat. Kami mendapatkan kelompok 2. Presentasinya dilanjutkan oleh teman di sebelah saya. Number 1. Repeat after me. Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor. Okay, more louder. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Okay, next.
Number 2. Repeat after me. Clean the board. Clean the board.
Okay, repeat again.
Clean the board.
Okay, next.
Number 3. Repeat after me. Open the window.
Open the window. Okay, next.
Number 4. Repeat after me. Close the book.
Close the Okay, give applause to group 2.
Om Santi 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 Om.
Okay, give applause to group 1. Okay, the last group is group 4. Okay, please come to the following class.
Om Swastiastu. Kami dari kelompok 4 akan mempresentasikan hasil diskusi kami. Number 1, repeat after me. Sit down, please.
Sit down, please. Okay.
Lanjutkan ke meja.
Number 2, clap your hand please.
Clap your hand, please. Okay, next.
Number 3. Be quiet, please.
Be quiet, please. Okay.
Number 4. Repeat after me. Fold the paper.
Fold the paper. Okay, what the meaning of fold the paper? Fold the paper. Okay, melipat, lipat kertasnya. Okay. You can end the presentation.
Sekian presentasi dari kami. Om Santi 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 Om.
Okay, you can sit back to your chair. Okay, give applause to group 4. Okay. Kita berikan tepuk good job untuk semua siswa yang ada di kelas. Ya, tepuk good job. Good job. Tepuk good job. Good job. Okay. I will comment the presentation. I will give some comment for you. Okay, from group 1, 2, 3, 4. Jadi dari kelompok 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost of you can give the instruction for your friend. Oke, jadi hampir semua dari kalian itu bisa memberikan instruksi kepada temannya. But ada sedikit mungkin mistake of the pronunciation. Ya, ada sedikit kesalahan pada saat pengucapan. Ya, seperti tadi, be quiet. Ya, agak sedikit ragu-ragu. Be quiet. Bisa juga ya, cut. Nah, cutnya tadi cut the paper. Okay, you must to always study and keep learning ya, to improve your pronunciation. Right now let's we next to the next activities. We have quiz time. Okay, please open your book. Buka buku tulisnya. And then prepare your pen. Siapkan pulpennya. Right now, I have a 5 questions in front of you. Ya, jadi ada 5 pertanyaan. Nah, pertanyaannya itu berdasarkan dengan yang sudah kalian pelajari tadi ya. Okay, please read the instruction. Determine whether the instruction are true or false based on the picture. Artinya adalah, tentukan apakah instruksinya itu true. Apa artinya true? Nah, good. True adalah benar. Or false. Apa artinya false? Salah. Berdasarkan gambar. Jadi kamu menentukan apakah instruksi yang disediakan itu sudah benar atau salah. Ya, jadi pada buku tulis kamu silakan diisi jawaban hanya true atau false saja. Ya, are you ready for the quiz? Ready. Okay, please more enthusiasm. Are you ready for the quiz? Okay. Number 1. Okay, based on the picture, the instruction is write down please the true or false. Have you finished answer? Okay, next. Okay, based on the picture, the instruction is open the window. That's true or false. Picture, the instruction is wipe the table. This is true or false. Okay, you finish answer? Okay, please collect your book, move in front of you. Your book is moved in front of you. Jadi bukunya dibawa ke depan. Jadikan satu. Oke, bukunya sudah dikumpulkan. Sekarang kita coba jawab bersama-sama ya. We back to the number 1. Okay, what the answer? True or false? False. Okay, the correct answer is who can answer? Okay, read the book. Number 2, true or false? Now, right now, before we end our study here, I will give you some question to be our question. Jadi itu akan memberikan kalian pertanyaan untuk menjadi refleksi ya. Oke, what have you learned today? Apa yang kalian pelajari hari ini? What you learn about instruction. Okay, you learn about instruction. Okay, what important thing did you learn? Apa yang penting yang kamu pelajari hari ini? Slide is end, but today before we end the study, Ibu mau merangkum sedikit. Dari tadi pertama apa saja yang kita lakukan? Pertama, singing and moving. Ya, bernyanyi dan bergerak. Okay, after that, what we doing? What we did? Apa? Saya jawab tentang kata kerja. Terus menentukan instruksi berdasarkan ya, identification instruction based on the picture. After that, do you have any question? Okay, so we can finish our study. Okay, the head of the class, please.
Siap gerak. Ngaturan pramesanti.
Om Santi 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 Om.
Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa